Hey, what is good, y'all? It's your boy Jab Beats, and today I got a special video for y'all. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how to make $20 in less than 10 minutes. Or around 10 minutes. We'll see. The video is not gonna be 10 minutes, but the process might be. You know, not a lot of people make $20 an hour, so I'm helping y'all make $20 in a little bit of minutes. And so the additional you can have an opportunity to earn $80, which is a little bit more hard work. It's not like everything is free. Everything is free, by the way. Like, there's nothing you don't have to pay, nothing you have to do. I'm gonna show you how to make the free $20 from this video. And the $80 is a little bit of hard work. But I'm gonna show you that at the end of the video. So this is my Coinbase account. Go to Coinbase.com. Set up your account. Sign up for an account. I don't think you have to link any. You don't have to link any bank accounts or anything, your cards or information or nothing. It's a free. Just set up a free account. And see, I think I made some money. I just made some money. I made like 8 cents. My goodness. So yeah. I'm gonna take you to this link. So it's gonna take me back to the same page I was just on. And so I'm gonna give you this link. I'm gonna put it in the description. The link takes you, once you set up an account for Coinbase, the link takes you to one of the coins that's giving this free offer. You can see down below I have $40 left to earn. I'm gonna show you how to earn that later. And so yeah, I just click this video. You watch a 1 minute to 2 minute video. And then you click this, and it'll be there's a section down here where once you click it, it'll ask you a 1-question quiz about the video you just watched. Now, I have the answers. I'm gonna put the answers in my description. So all you have to do, you can be watching Netflix, play this video while you watching Netflix. Oh, the video is done. Let me input the question. Oh, answer the question. You just earned you a $2 cryptocurrency. Go to the next video. Like I said, it's like just 1 to 2 minutes. Up, questions time. I have my questions in the answers in the description. And once you do all that, you earn, I think, what, $10 to $12. Then you go to the next coin, which I'm gonna have the links to the 2 coins that's doing the promotional offer in the description. So this one you earn $4. What? I'm earning $4 for this question. How long is the video? 2:30. That's not bad.
With anyone.
Not bad. You just let the video run. Once the video is done, you input my answer, and you earn you a $4 junk. How many $4 we got? That's I can't count because I'm getting money. I don't need no education. You feel me? Nah, everybody gets your education out there. So, but you see, I have the $40 left here as well. I'm gonna show y'all how to make that $40. And so I'm gonna keep the video short. Like I said, it's not gonna be a 10-minute video. So yeah, I'm gonna send you these 2 links in the description. Once you set up your Coinbase account, if you already have a Coinbase account, then you're halfway there. And so yeah, I'm gonna set up the. Once you click the link, it might put you on a waiting list where you wait like maybe 30 minutes, and you just wait, and then you check back later. Click the link. But yeah, just save everything in my description to like a notepad. Click the link for 1 coin, and then pretty much, and this is where you earn. Pretty much, this is where you earn your additional $40. Once y'all complete my list, not complete my list. Once y'all go to the my invite, I would be earning my additional $40. And this video is the special video because once y'all accept my invites, I want y'all to put y'all invite links in the comments down below so that other people can do it. Because once I earn my 4 people, my 4 invites, I'm done. I don't get any more money. You feel me? So I get my $40 and I'm out. So people that's watching this video, they're gonna see, hey, I'm gonna let people know, hey, I got my 40. Hit this next person, let him get his 40, then let him get his 40, then let him get his 40. You feel me? So that's how we rocking. We all gonna get this money. And so that's a little bit of hard work, because always getting people to inviting people to new things and having them set up their thing. That's a little bit of hard work. But guess what? If we get this done today, hey, we're making money. We're making money. So that's pretty much why I'm making this video. It's 5 minutes. I know it was kind of long. I'm making money, man. Look at this. Look at this. Like, this is just me sitting. Like yeah, I can literally go and take this money out and send it to my bank account. Because them cents go in handy. I said go handy, come in handy. But yeah, so that's pretty much the video. I want to thank y'all for watching. Like I said, I got my I got the questions, the answers to the questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like for example, the questions might change a little bit. Not the order of the questions, but like the answers. They might have changed the wording a little bit. So you might see, for example, the third question, you might see fast and global in the answer, but secure might not be there. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You got a question, hit me up. I'll give you the answer. If you really need it. But yeah, these should be all the questions you need, answers you need. That's pretty much it. I want to thank y'all for watching. It's your boy Jab Beats. I'm out.